Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we are going to do the temperature conversions from degree Celsius to Fahrenheit and vice versa as well. And moreover, we are going to calculate both the estimates and the exact values as well. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And here are our 4 examples that we are going to take care of. We are going to convert 23 degrees Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius, 35 degrees Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius, and likewise we are going to convert 43 degrees Celsius to degrees Fahrenheit, and finally 85 degrees Celsius to degrees Fahrenheit as well. Let's go ahead and get started, and let's focus on the conversion from degree Celsius to Fahrenheit. And here's our formula. If we know the value of C, and then we can calculate degrees Fahrenheit as 9 divided by 5 times C plus 32. And now we are going to go from degrees Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius. And here's a formula for that one. If we know the value of Fahrenheit, then we can calculate the value of C, and that's going to be equal to 5 divided by 9 times F minus 32 inside the parentheses. And now we are going to talk about the estimates. And here's the nice trick to calculate the estimate. Let's focus on these alphabets A, B, C, D, E, and F, where C is our temperature Celsius and F is our temperature Fahrenheit. And if we go from left to right, our values tend to increase. And if we go the other way around, from right to left, the values tend to decrease. And bear in mind, the value of F is going to be larger than the value of C. So therefore, if we go from C to F, in other words, we are going to do the conversion from degree Celsius to Fahrenheit, then our very first step is going to be D stands for double. That means we are going to double the value of C. And the next step is E stands for extend by 30. So after doubling, we are going to add 30 as well to get temperature in Fahrenheit. So therefore, from going to Celsius to Fahrenheit, we are going to multiply by 2, and then we are going to add 30 to it. And likewise, if we go from degrees Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius, in other words, we are going to convert from degrees Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius. Since we are going from right to left, so therefore the values tend to decrease. So therefore, E comes first. E means we are going to eliminate the value of F by 30. And then whatever the result is, D stands for divided by 2. And then we are going to get our degree Celsius value. In other words, from going Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius, we are going to subtract by 30, as you can see over here. And then we are going to divide this one by 2, as you can see over here. And likewise, if we are going to get the exact value from degree Celsius to Fahrenheit, then this formula is going to give us these steps. We are going to multiply degree Celsius by 9, and then we are going to divide by 5. And finally, whatever value we get, we are going to add 32 to it. And if we are going from degrees Fahrenheit to Celsius, then we are going to follow these steps. The very first step is we are going to decrease the value of Fahrenheit by 32. Then we are going to multiply by 5. And finally, whatever result we get, we are going to divide that number by 9. And here's our very first example. And we are going to calculate the exact value first. And here are the steps that we are going to take to go from degrees Fahrenheit to Celsius. And we know our degrees Fahrenheit is 23. So I'm going to write down 23, and I'm going to subtract 32 from it. And that's going to give us negative 9. And now we are going to multiply negative 9 with 5. So 5 times negative 9 is going to be negative 45. And finally, negative 45 divided by 9. I'm going to write down negative 45 divided by 9 is going to give us negative 5 degrees Celsius. So therefore, 23 degrees Fahrenheit has been converted to negative 5 degrees Celsius, and that's our exact value. And now we are going to calculate the estimate value of 23 degrees Fahrenheit as well. And here are the steps we are going to follow. We are going to subtract 30 first, and then we are going to divide it by 2. And here our 23 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm going to write down 23 and I'm going to take away 30. That is going to give us negative 7. And now I'm going to divide this negative 7 by 2. And that's going to give us negative 3.5. So therefore, the approximate value for 23 degrees Fahrenheit turns out to be negative 4 degrees Celsius. And here's a piece of caution. The exact value and this estimated value may not be same. And here's our next example. We are going to convert 35 degrees Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius. And here we have calculated the exact value first. In the very first step, I have put down 35 over here and subtracted 32. We got 3. The next I multiplied 3 with 5. We got 15. And finally, 15 divided by 9 is going to give us approximately 1.67 degrees Celsius. And as a whole number, that turns out to be equal to 2 degrees Celsius. And likewise, we are going to calculate the estimate value as well. And here's our very first step. I put down 35 over here and subtracted 30 from it. We got 5. And then divided by 2. 5 divided by 2 is going to give us 2.5 degrees Celsius. And that's going to be approximately equal to 3 degrees Celsius. And that's our estimate. And here's another example. This time we are going to go 43 degrees Celsius to calculate the degrees Fahrenheit. And in order to calculate the exact value, here are the steps we are going to take. First, we are going to multiply by 9, then divide by 5, and then we are going to add 32 to it. Now, let's focus on 43 degrees Celsius. I'm going to write down 43 and then I'm going to multiply 9 with it. That is going to give us 387. And now whatever number we got, we are going to divide by 5. And that's going to give us 77.4. And finally, we are going to add 32 to it. So I'm going to put down 32 over here. And if we add, and we are going to get 109.4 degrees Celsius. And that could be rounded to 109 degrees Celsius as well. And now we are going to calculate the estimate as well. And to calculate the estimate, we are going to multiply by 2. And then finally, we are going to add 30 to it. And here our number is 43. I'm going to multiply 2 to it. That is going to give us 86. And now I'm going to add 30 to 86. That is going to give us 116 degrees Celsius, and that's our estimate. And here's our final example. We are going to convert 85 degrees Celsius to degrees Fahrenheit. And now we are going to calculate the exact value. First, I multiplied 85 with 9. We got 765. 765 divided by 5 gives us 153. And finally, we have added 32 to it. And we are ended up with the 185 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's make an observation. 85 degrees Celsius equals to 185 degrees Fahrenheit. And now we are going to calculate the estimate. At first we multiplied 85 by 2. We got 170. And finally we have added 30 to it. We got 200 degrees Fahrenheit. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.